I'm going to give you some tips and techniques on welding safety. Your personal protective equipment that must be worn while you're welding are as follows. First, you must have a good quality welding helmet. This shield is designed to protect your eyes from the extremely bright light of the arc and to help protect you from the sparks and spatter that fly out of the weld and from the slag that is chipped off the weld after the welding is finished. Now, central to this is the dark filter plate inside the filter plate holder. These are different strengths of dark tempered glass. They filter the light down to a level that you can actually see what's going on without being blinded. They start at shade 9 and go up to shade 13, 14. Everyone's eyes are different, so you'll need to select the appropriate filter plate for your own eyes. The filter plate is protected by a clear lens cover that keeps the spatter of the weld from sticking to the glass plate. Also in this model of helmet, there's a flip-up lens holder. Inside of here, there's a Lexan plastic plate that while I'm wearing this, I can chip the weld and not have the particles of hot slag hit my face or get into my eyes. It's also a really good idea to wear safety glasses under the welding helmet, and they should have side shields to keep slag and spatter from migrating up in under the welding helmet and getting into your eyes.